Let's make some yummy fried shrimp. Whisk 2 large eggs in a bowl. Then combine 1 cup of all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon of paprika and give those a mix. Use a half to 1 pound of shrimp. For this I use pre-cooked and deveined shrimp. Combine a half teaspoon of salt with a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and mix. Sprinkle some seasonings over the shrimp and give those a toss. Then sprinkle on some more, etc. until all the seasonings are on the shrimp. Dip the shrimp in the flour, then into the egg wash, then into panko breadcrumbs. You'll need about a cup of breadcrumbs. Heat cooking oil to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 Celsius. It only needs to be about 1 inch deep. Gently add 3 to 5 shrimp or more into the pot. Don't overcrowd them. Cook for a few minutes until golden brown and crispy. Place them on a plate lined with paper towel to dry. They are ready to go. Serve them with whatever dipping sauces that you want. Enjoy! Find the recipe on my website in thekitchenwithmatt.com. The link is in my bio.